Are you ready for day 5? It's over here. Let's punch it and see what we have. I haven't taken these off. I probably could. All right. Ooh, this one's upside down. I didn't get to see it. It's happy birthday, I think. I think it's a present. Let's see. Let me get a stamp. I'm just gonna stamp it real quick to see what it is. Yes, it's happy birthday present. All right, let me gather my supplies. Okay, let's make a birthday card. I have my image here, and then I have the Not Too Shabby Make-A-Wish and ephemera pack. This was one of the paper pads for this past month, and I thought it would be perfect to go with this stamp. So, oh, there's one that says happy birthday. Totally missed that. I only looked at the front side. I didn't look at the back side. Oh, well, that's all right. We've got it. So that's what I'm using. And then I've pulled out a bunch of the ephemera, and that is called, what's it called? No. It's up at the top. Make-A-Wish ephemera, so it's matching. All right. So I've cut my 2 pieces. I'm going to mount it on this piece. This is the closest I could find to that color, and it's close enough that it's going to be okay. There's a little bit of difference, but that'll be fine. I have my scrap paper and my card base. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp my image 3 times in the 3 different colors. All right, so there's one. That doesn't show up real good. I may not be using that one. All right, I got to clean this. All right, let's try the waterfall. That yellow I don't think is going to show up. Okay, I think I'll do 2 in this color and 1 in the pink. Okay, let me go clean this. All right, let's do the pink one. All right, now I am kind of rocking this slightly. The edges don't want to catch real well. That could be me. So by rocking it, I catch those edges. So I have that. Now, let me move those out of the way, and I have to cut these out. So let me cut. And I am just going to kind of go around the image. And I got to cut that tip off. If you get a round tip, I just go back and trim it. The top is the hardest part because the rest are straight cuts. So there's one. All right, let me get this one now. All right, got it cut. All right, let's get this put together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to add it to my panel. All right, now I'm going to take it really slow, and I'm going to use a scrap paper because this is the exact size of my tape runner. So if I take it slow and stick to it, I'll be good. All right, there. All right, now nope, it goes right about like that. And I'm leaving a little bit of space. I wanted to use the other side, but when I put it down, it just didn't go. So I decided to just use the same piece. All right, now. Let me put this on. So, and I thought she would be cute to add on here. And then I want all this ephemera on there. I'm thinking my happy birthday will go across the bottom. Nope, it's lost there. Maybe it'll go across the top. Let me just kind of play and see. I can put her there, that there. Okay. This can go here. That can go there. All right, let me do some finagling. I'm going to use some glue dots here. I'm going to take a piece and put it on the tip of this. All right. I'm going to take this, put it there. Give me the yellow one. And then the pink one. And the macaroons would be next. And I'm gonna do it that way because I have a lot of pink showing already. All right, I'm gonna put this in the corner. May not be done with that. This, I'm going to put this on flat. And the reason being is I'm going to put those presents on dimensionals because I want them to show. Now, that's empty. I need to get another sheet. All right. It didn't pull off very well. If it fights you to pull off, try pulling it from a different direction. There, that one came off. There. I need one here. There it is. I was going to say I lost it. Let's add these. And this one is done. Gotta watch my pieces so that they don't go past the image. All right, I need a blue one, a pink one, and the other blue one. And let's add some gold gems. All right. All right, let's put one there. One there. And one here. And there's today's Advent idea. Are you enjoying seeing some of these ideas? I'm really liking this Advent calendar. It's been interesting playing with some small images, but I'm getting it. Have a great day. Bye.